Exercise 8.4, question number 5, third part. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. This we have to prove. Once again, I will use the left hand side part of this and we will convert this in terms of sine and cos. So tan theta I am going to write as sine theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sine theta, writing cot theta in terms of cos theta upon sine theta, plus cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta upon 1 minus, writing tan theta as sine theta upon cos theta, that is equal to sine theta upon cos theta as it is, and taking the LCM for the denominator part. So the LCM will be sine theta and this will become sine theta minus cos theta plus this part cos theta upon sine theta as it is, and taking LCM here in denominator part, the LCM will be cos theta. It is cos theta minus sine theta, that is equal to sine theta upon cos theta into this part will become reciprocal. Sine theta will go up and in denominator it will come sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta upon sine theta, this part as it is, into this part becomes reciprocal, cos theta upon cos theta minus sine theta. So it becomes sine theta into sine theta is sine square theta upon cos theta into sine theta minus cos theta plus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta upon sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. Now children, in this step, next step, we are going to do something very unusual. As in this bracket we have sine theta minus cos theta, and this bracket we have cos theta minus sine theta. To convert this in terms of sine theta minus cos theta, I will take out minus common from here so that this and this will become same. So if I take out common minus from here, sine becomes plus and cos becomes minus, and the minus which I will take common, which will come outside, and this plus and minus that I have taken common will collide and plus minus becomes minus. So here sine square theta upon cos theta sine theta minus cos theta as it is, that minus which I have taken common from here will collide with this becomes minus cos square theta upon sine theta, and this will change as sine theta minus cos theta. Now this step particularly you have to keep very important, that what we have done in this. Once again, let me tell you that to make this bracket and this bracket same, from this bracket I have taken minus sign common, and because of this minus sign this has become minus. Now sine square theta, we will take the LCM of this part, denominator LCM. So the LCM will be equal to cos theta, sin theta, and sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, the LCM of these two is cos theta, sin theta, and as these two are same, so this will come once. Now this sin square theta becomes sin cube theta. As we divide this denominator to the LCM, cos cancels, sin minus cos cancel. So what is left is sin theta, and sin theta into sin square theta is sin cube theta, minus, same here, it becomes cos cube theta. Now children, here one very important step is that we have to keep the formula in mind. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square, that we studied in class 9th. So this formula we are going to use here. So sin cube theta minus cos cube theta is equal to sin theta minus cos theta, a minus b, sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Applying this, a minus b, a square plus ab plus b square for sine and cos, upon the denominator cos theta sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta as it is. But since we have sin theta minus cos theta are same in both numerator and denominator, so it cancels. Now here sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta is left. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Therefore, in place of this 2 we will write 1. So it is 1 plus sin theta cos theta upon, in denominator we have cos theta sin theta left, so it will come sin theta cos theta. Now this denominator we are going to write separately with this and with this. So 1 upon sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta upon sin theta cos theta. Now these two cancels and we get 1. Here we have 1 upon sin theta cos theta. This we can write as 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta plus this part is cancels and we got 1. Now 1 upon sin theta is equal to cosec theta plus 1 upon cos theta is equal to into sec theta plus 1, that is equal to cosec theta sec theta plus 1, which is your right hand side part. Hence LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved.